Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to protect a Word document with password to restrict particular area to lock your Word document. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my laptop I just opened Word applications. I have typed a lot of important information. I would like to lock entire document. What I have to do here? So I just want to lock that document. I just select some area or entire area. So I just select this area. I want to lock this document. What I have to do here? On top you will find a menu bar like home, insert, draw, design, everything. Just go to review. Once you go to review, there is a different kind of option will be available. Choose protect. Once you click the protect option, there will be a restrict edit option will be available. Just select restrict editing. Once you select a restrict editing, there will be a pan will be open here. Formatting restriction, editing restriction will be available, so you can restrict entire document using the password. What you have to do here, just check this limit formatting section as well as allowing only typing this editing documents. Just check the button. So once you check the two buttons, there is a third one, start enforcement will be available. Yes, start enforcing protection. Once you select yes, start enforcing protection, it will ask you the password. Once you give the password, I have given the password, so just confirm the password. Easy password I have given here and click OK. So once you click OK, the restriction will be added here. So yes, your document is protected over here. So if I type anything else, I cannot able to type because the status bar itself given. You cannot make this changes because this selection is locked. So I can type a financial statement, nothing will be open here because everything will be locked. If I want to edit means I cannot able to edit. If I select this one, I want to change the power things, what are the information, I cannot do anything. I can insert, nothing will be added here because everything is locked. So nothing, no one can edit anything else. What you have to do here, so if I type or edit anything, will I can read, I can check it out what is there in the document. If I want to unlock this document, same thing, just go to review and you will find the same protect. Just select the protect and restrict editing. Just select the restrict editing. There will be a protection will be there. Click stop protection. It will ask you the password. If you give the wrong password, it will be this password is incorrect. If you give the correct password, your document will be open. You can edit, you can insert, you can give what are the information. So this is a cool and beautiful option. You can lock your document. No one can edit anything else. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.